We're not good. Give it to me. Give it to me.
There we go.
That wasn't bad. All right, welcome back to another video, everybody. Thank you for stopping by, and if you're new, also thank you for stopping by. Today, I'm finally getting to something that I've been meaning to get to for a very long time. I ordered the wrong part. It came in. I was so excited. I tried to install it. Didn't work out. So now we have round 2 of the sequential blinker lights. So now I got to open up the shop so I can get my car in here. Why is yours measured in pints? I don't know, they both say pint on the front. Again, I tried to find an Arizona iced tea, and apparently here in the South, they don't exist. Nate and I found these really weird energy drinks. They're called 3D. I wanted this one because it looks like a can of shaving cream. That's what it looks like, so I want to try this real quick. I feel like...
It looks
like, God.
That's what happened to mine.
Oh my God, that tastes like a popsicle. That tastes like somebody melted 1,000 popsicles into a drink. I don't know how that's gonna go down, but we're gonna find out later. So like I said last time, epic fail with trying to install these the first time, because we went all the way as to remove like the stock ones and they didn't even fit at all. So now we got the right ones. Last time, the ones that we had were like super sharp and they cut off like right here. So I ended up giving those away to somebody. We're gonna go ahead and remove the mirror cap and everything just to get them, just to get access to these older ones. So the first thing I'm actually gonna do is reposition the mirror so that I can get a screwdriver in to get the clips that are holding in the plate on the mirror. So, and that's probably as much as I can get it. So now you can get a screwdriver in there and undo the 2 clips that are holding in that, that top mirror panel. They do actually give you like a plastic tool in the packaging with these things. Can't remember if we pushed up or down on them. Oh, it was down. Okay, all right. So you have to take this, and there are these 2 clips in there. I can't really show you anyways because actually, you know, why don't we try it? See that clip right under my thumb? You have to stick a screwdriver right in that hole and then pry downwards, and then the top will actually separate from right here, and you pull it. And now that this side's done, there's one more clip, the same thing, just right under here. Like a surgeon. Yeah, here we go. There we go. Look at that. All right. Okay, that came out. That was probably broken then, if that just came out that fast. Nate will be Monster cameraman real quick while I try to install this first one. See, these are the right size now. Before, the ones we had cut off like right here. They were for the Mark III Focus and not the Focus ST. So they didn't fit, but we have the right ones now. So now what you have to do is you actually have to take this connection right here that's on the light and just kind of slide her on out. Now you have the light bulb. So that's what this whole entire kit here will be replacing. So if you take out this light bulb right here, just nice and gentle pull. That's what that looks like. You can kind of see that there's a little connector in there. And that is what this will end up connecting to. So I don't think it matters what side goes into which. It's just like a pure contact type of electrical connection. I'm gonna take this and just slide it in there. Just like that. It's that easy.
Oh, she works.
Does it?
Yep.
Yeah, let me see. Oh, damn, that's sick. I know with the blue film on, they look a little green, but wait, get this peel porn real quick. I cannot believe these are only $25.
That's insane.
Like the ones that they sell in the US that are like the equivalent of this are $110 or $140, either one. That looks so freaking cool. So I'm gonna just stick it right in there. So it's supposed to fit just like that, but yeah, see, they don't really fit that well. So that's exactly why that other YouTuber I saw had a 3M strip on the inside of there. So we're actually gonna take the silicone glue after I shut my car off. This flat surface here, that touches when you put the light on there. So I think we're just gonna put some silicone glue right there. Look at that bead, so precise. Wow, he went with the 3, oh, he's going with a 4th bead. Oh. Yep, there you go, so that's a click. So we just got a holder there for like, what would you say? How long?
2 hours.
2 hours? All right, we'll see you guys in 2 hours.
2 hours later.
2 hours later, it's drier, and I think if we go ahead and put the cap back on it, it'll also hold it in place a little bit better too. Yeah, there we go. The look of the mirror now, it goes from this to this, and it's so much more sleek, and it just looks hidden, and I really like that. On the right, it just blinks. Pretty boring. On the left, it's sequential. So as you can see, they do look really cool, and I might go as far to say that this is like definitely one of the best mods for your Focus ST for the money. It's $25 to get this. I mean, that looks super cool. So we're gonna go ahead and install the second one really quickly, and then we're gonna give you like a finished product kind of look. Dude, this one I'm having to like work it like really hard to get it off. That's what she said. It's so freaking hot in here. I'm sweating through my really sick new GTR shirt.
It kind of looks like a Nintendo Switch.
That's mainly why I got it, is because it looks like a Nintendo Switch shirt. But it's not. It's a Skyline shirt, which are both Japanese, Nintendo and Skyline. They're in collaboration. Dude, they definitely work together. So
The more you know.
Nintendo is Japanese. It looks so cool. You can't even tell that there's like if you didn't know this car at all and you just took a look at it from, you know, from far away, you wouldn't think there's any signals on the mirrors until you do this. Wow. Dude, I love sequential things. Like any sort of lights whatsoever. That looks super, super cool. What? Yeah, we do. All right, so some people put in the comments on my tint video that I needed to tint the third brake light. And I kind of do. Oh, you know what? I got tint.
I have extra tint too.
Yeah. Impromptu tinting my third brake light. I don't know how I'm feeling about these things. They're not sitting well. This is actually gonna be stupid easy to do because it's literally just a very simple curve. So I'm actually going to take it out though. A lot of people say when I did my taillights that I should have left them in. It's easier to do them in. I felt like it would be easier for me to tuck the tint behind the taillights if I had them out. So that's why I took them out when I did it. That's how you get them crispy corners. You literally cannot see any of the tint coming up around the edges here. So that's why I wanted to do that. We're not even gonna talk about my other taillight though. This thing looks like garbage, so.
She's gonna get a redo.
Yeah, this is, I overstretched some of the corners, and you get this nasty bunchiness here. It looks terrible. We're not gonna talk about it. Now we're gonna do this. There's a washer fluid line that connects to this, because that's where your washer fluid gets sprayed onto your rear windshield. So I gotta be a little careful. Smell in there.
Oh,
it smells like
why?
piss. I don't know why. See what I mean here? You got this. Oh, I don't know why I was just like nervous about liquid falling on my hand. You have a washer fluid line here. You just gotta give her a really light yank. I'm sorry, a yoink. Just gotta give her
Are you okay?
I would rather maybe some pliers, honestly. Oh boy, look at these. These make me feel like I have big hands. There we go. Flung liquid everywhere. All right.
It's not the first time.
Ew. What do you mean it's not the first time? Yeah, get out of here. Get the hell out of here.
Right,
I need to clean this up.
This is making my stomach hurt.
Yeah, they're not good. They're not good. Don't get them. This is like reverse sponsorship. We get it. We pay money for it and tell you not to buy it. All right. That's called honesty right there. Not a lot of people do that nowadays. My legs are super widened so that you can see everything in the shot here. She's all fit back up. Yeah, you're right, Nate. That does look way cooler. It's tape from my Christmas wrap. Long time ago, I had a video where I wrapped my entire car in Christmas paper or wrapping paper, and I just found a piece of tape with a piece of wrapping paper stuck to it underneath here. So you should go check that video out. It's super old. I'll put a link in it right wherever the hell that link comes up, but I'm gonna put this back together now. Gotta start it? No way.
It smells so bad.
Whoa, wow, that's like really bad. I did not know we were gonna do that today, so at least we got that fixed. Satisfy you people who said, tint your third brake light instead of just leaving it.
2006 Toyota Camry clear.
Exactly. All right, so I'm gonna just go ahead and leave you guys with a quick edit of what these actually look like on your car and functioning. Here we go. Just finished up that little edit for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And I really enjoyed putting those sequentials on because now they look really, really cool. I love the movement on them. Also, I hated the white plasticky like look to it, and this just completely gets rid of it, as you can see. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you guys in the next one later.